Are you looking for some stylish furniture stores that will fit into your budget? Well, we've got the top 8 right here. And we'll also share some furniture shopping secrets. Stay tuned. Hey, good people! Welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. This list contains some places that you may have overlooked when shopping for furniture. Check out our unique suggestions. My daughter Kyla and I saw this set on Amazon.com and we absolutely loved it. The problem was it was out of stock. We couldn't find it at any other retailers either, so I took a chance and stopped by Rooms to Go. I was very surprised. Not only did they offer this set, but it came in a variety of colors and there was a glass table option. Very cool. I ordered the set and in a few weeks it was in my home and we are very happy. When people think of Hobby Lobby, they think of arts and crafts, DIY projects, and maybe even holiday decorations. They don't typically think of Hobby Lobby as being associated with high quality furniture. Well, that view should definitely change because Hobby Lobby has a wide selection of furniture for your entire home. Plus, the store offers a standard 30% off the sticker price for all of your furniture purchases, and they typically have the 40% off coupon on their app or on their circular. So when you think Home Depot, you're probably thinking construction. Things like paint, hammer, nails, wood, and they do a great job at that. But Home Depot also offers a wide selection of furniture. Believe it or not, Home Depot sells kitchen and dining tables, office chairs, desks, bookcases, beds, dressers, mattresses, and more. Now, you'll have to search online for those extras, but it is worth the click. I found this wonderful bar stool for my kitchen. Check them out. There are 3,300 Goodwill stores in the U.S. and Canada. When you shop at Goodwill, you get great deals on quality items. Take this dresser, for example. It would make the perfect redo for only $24.99. And snatch up this unique chair for just $74.99. Keep in mind that your purchase will help support various initiatives around employment, education, the youth, and more. Find a Goodwill store near you at goodwill.org.
Hey guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and make sure you comment down below ideas that you have for us to try on our home.
discovering fabulous furniture finds at garage sales is first, get there early. The second thing you need to do is find out where the buys are. Check out a site like yardsales.net. It will show you where garage sales are in your neighborhood. Also, search for groups on Facebook, and they can point you to some great garage sales as well. Speaking of Facebook, navigate over to the Facebook Marketplace pages for your specific area, and you will find some fabulous room redo items. Let's take a look at this table as an example. For just $120, you can have a high-end table that you can redo, and it would make a fabulous addition to your kitchen. Big Lots was actually the inspiration for this entire video. The discount retailer surprisingly features a wide range of familiar furniture brands, including Ashley Furniture, Broyhill, and more at an affordable price. Check me out as I stroll through the store to take a closer look at all of the great offerings on the showroom floor. Habitat Restores are operated by local Habitat for Humanity organizations. The store features a wide selection of gently used furniture items. Take these recliners as an example. A friend of mine purchased these beauties for a bargain and now uses them for her movie room. Proceeds from the restore help needy families build homes. Our bonus retailer is Value City Furniture. The secret to shopping at this store is to navigate your way to the back in the clearance area. That's where you'll find the real buys. For instance, I found this marble top dresser. It was initially priced over $400, but when I negotiated with the manager, they cut the price by almost $100, and it looks lovely in my son's room. I also found this TV stand. It was pretty pricey in the beginning, but again, when you're in the clearance area, you're able to negotiate the price down with the manager. But I'm not the only one who's been able to snatch up some deals in Value City Furniture's clearance section. Dr. Felicia Harris, one of our subscribers, sent in this video, and it features a sectional that she says she's seen for over $10,000 at other retailers that she was able to snatch up in the clearance area for a fraction of the cost. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.